Hi, I'm Mike from Ridgetop. Today we're going to be talking about some roofing tips for homeowners to look out for. You can tell your roof needs to be replaced. When we do an inspection on a roof, we're going to be looking for cracked shingles, curling shingles, shingles that are degranulating, meaning that little fine particulates kind of wiping away. Missing shingles obviously is a big key one. If you have current leaking, if we hop up on the roof and we find that there's bad plywood anywhere, those are some key signs that we need to actually replace the roof or do a deeper dive into what's going on. So you know if your roofing contractor is legitimate by asking them for their insurance, seeing if they're licensed and bonded, asking for referrals from either past customers, checking Google reviews. You'll find out pretty soon who's a reputable company. Checking the Better Business Bureau as well is going to be a key sign. If your roof leaks, you may not need a whole entire new roof. We should definitely do a deeper dive, get up in the attic, take a look at flashing points, take a look at what's been going on, how long has it been going on, and we'll be able to better identify what the best need for the homeowner is going to be. So the benefits of using a GAF shingle, they're a multi-billion-dollar company. They've been the largest roofing manufacturer on earth for the last couple of years. They've been around for over 100 years. They stand behind their warranties. If there's any issues with their shingles, they have a performance warranty. It's better than what's called a leak warranty. Some companies out there have a leak warranty where the shingle could be cracked, curled, degraded, it could be missing. If it's not a leak, it's not a problem. Whereas GAF has a performance warranty on their shingles. If there's any sort of defect with the shingle, it's covered under the warranty. So we offer the best warranty in the entire roofing industry, the Golden Pledge warranty. It's a 50-year, 100% coverage warranty, 25-year craftsmanship warranty, and it has 25 years of transferability. So if you're ever looking to move in that 25 years time span, you're able to transfer that to the new homeowner. It is a selling and buying point. We do a 101-point inspection every time we come out to a house to make sure that we're not missing anything that could be bigger going on. Yes, you may be having roofing issues, but if we're not addressing ventilation, these are things that we want to look into to make sure we're not missing something bigger that's going on. Selling you a new roof may not be the problem. We may need to dive a little bit deeper. That 101-point inspection is going to get us what we're looking for. So there will be a big mess when we are in progress, I will tell you that, but by the end of the day, you will be surprised at how quickly and how efficiently our guys will clean your yard. We absolutely have a visualizer that we can share with you. We can sit down, show you what your roof is going to look like with potentially your new siding and new windows. We can customize the entire outside of your house with which is called a E360 visualizer. It's a great 3D model that will help you see what your roof is going to look like, see what your house is going to look like when we're all done. So the roofing process looks like this. When we first show up, we're going to start tearing the roof off. We're going to identify any leaking spots, any bad plywood, wood up on the roof, get that changed out before we continue. Once we identify all the wood is good, we'll start putting our edge metals around the roof. We'll start with our ice and water barrier, either 3 or 6 feet of ice and water barrier around the roof. We're going to do our underlayments. We're going to make sure all of our soil pipes and everything are flashed properly with that ice and water barrier. We start shingling at that point. We shingle all the way up to the ridge of the roof or your hips of the roof. We're going to put ridge cap shingles on. We'll make sure that you have your ventilation installed, whether it's box vents, power vents, ridge vents, making sure that all the ventilation is accounted for. And then at the end of it all, we'll go around doing neat caulking around anything that may need it, exposed nail heads on flashings, chimney flashings, anything of that nature. My name is Mike with Ridgetop. We want you to know if you need anything at all to give us a call. We're going to treat your home like it's our own. Free estimates, free inspections. See ya.